Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1 of lines and angle. In this exercise, I have already discussed what are quadrant angles, what are alternative angles, what are linear pair angles. Here I am going to discuss the questions based on these concepts. The first question in your NCRT is this. In the above figure, line AB and CD intersect at point O. See, the line AB and CD intersect at point O. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. That means this angle plus this angle, the sum of these two angles, like that this angle will be X and this angle will be Y. So here it is given that the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 is equal to 70 degree. So I can write here X plus Y is equal to 70 degree. X plus Y is equal to 70 degree because it is given in the question. Angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. I have let the angle AOC be X and let the angle BOE equal to Y. If if I let the value of these angle be X and Y, so according to question, X plus Y is equal to 70 degree. Now it is given angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. That means this angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. It is given in the question. What is asked to you? It is asked find the value of BOE. What is BOE? BOE. BOE is this angle. You have to find the value of Y here. That what is the value of Y here? So how you solve this question? For solving this question, you know that X and 40, these are the vertically opposite angles. You can write here angle AOC is equal to angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. And what is the reason behind it? Why these two angles are equal? This is equal to 40 degrees. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angles. So by giving this remark, you can write here that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. So that means you have to find out the value of X because angle X is equal to AOC. Now, what you need to find the value of Y? How you can find the value of Y? You know that X plus Y is equal to 70 degree. This is our equation number 1. And we have also find the value of X equal to 40 degree. This is our equation number 2. So by putting the value of X in equation number 1, you can easily find the value of Y. Like 40 plus Y is equal to 70 degree. So Y is equal to 30 degree is the answer. So here Y is equal to 30 degree. What is Y here? Y is angle BOE. So you have find the value of angle BOE. That means this implies angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Now you have find out the value of X as well as you have find the value of Y. That means you have find the value of angle BOE. Now what is further asked in the question? You have to find the value of angle, reflex angle COE. For finding the value of reflex angle COE, you need to understand what is reflex angle COE. If you want to find the value of reflex angle COE, then you should know that reflex angle COE is equal to 360 degree minus angle COE. This is the value of reflex angle COE. If you want to find the value of any angle which is of reflex of any angle, then you need to subtract that angle from 360 degree. By this way, you can find the value of reflex angle COE. What is the meaning of COE, reflex angle COE? The meaning of reflex COE is here COE is this angle. You know that COE is this angle. But if you need to find the value of reflex angle COE, that means this is reflex angle COE. This one is reflex angle COE. I will write here reflex angle COE. This is angle reflex COE. So for finding reflex angle COE, you need to find the value of COE. How you find the value of COE? You can find the value of COE because you know that AOB is a straight line and sum of all the angles, that is angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? By linear pair property. By linear pair property. And you know that AOC is, you already find the value of angle AOC. Angle AOC is equal to X, that is 40 degree. Angle COE, we need to find out angle COE, and the angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. You already found out previously, is equal to 180 degree. So angle COE plus 70 is equal to 180 degree. So angle COE is equal to 110. But you need to find the value of reflex angle COE, and you know that for finding the value of reflex angle COE, what you need to do, you need to separate this COE from 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 110 is equal to 250 degree is the answer. This is reflex angle COE. In this way, you will solve this question. Now, this is question number second of first exercise of your lines and angle. Now, what is given in this second question? It is given that in the above figure, line XY and MN intersect at point O. So you can easily figure out that line this XY and MN intersect at point O. Further, it is given that angle POY is equal to 90 degree. That means this is perpendicular. This angle is equal to 90 degree. This is given. And A is to B is 2 is to 3. It is given here A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. What is A here? This is A here. So you can let here A is like that. A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x because they are given in the ratio. So if they are given in the ratio, so you can write it like 2x here, the value of A, and the value of B, you can write here 3x. 2x and 3x. Now, what is asked to you? It is asked to you to find the value of C. So, how you find the value of C? Before you have to find the value of C, what you need to do? You can find the value of X here. How you can find the value of X here? You know that angle XOM, write it here, angle XOM plus angle MOP, MOP, XOM plus angle MOP plus angle POY plus angle POY is equal to 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? By linear pair property. By linear pair property. And you know that the XOM is equal to 3x, MOP is equal to 2x, and POY, it is already given in the question that the value of POY is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. That means 5x is equal to 180 minus 90. 5x that is equal to 90. So x is equal to 90 upon 5. That is equal to 5 on the 5. That is 40. 5 80 40. So the value of x is here 18 degree. If you find the value of x here, so you can easily find the value of XOM here. The value of XOM is the value of angle XOM is equal to 3x, and the value of 3x is value of x is 18. You can put the value of x here 18, and this is equal to 54 degree. So you find the value of angle XOM, that is equal to 54 degree. Now you need to find the value of C. How you can find the value of C? You know that angle NOX, angle, I am writing it with a red pen so that it will be easily understood or highlighted. Angle XO, angle NOX, angle NOX, that is this angle C plus angle XOM is equal to 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? Again, by linear pair. Linear pair. Why linear pair? Because this MON is a straight line. And if this is a straight line, so sum of all the angles at a point O is equal to 180 degree. That means angle NOX plus angle MOX is equal to 180 degree. Now what you need to do? The value of angle NOX is C and value of angle XOM is 3x, and you already found the value of 3x here is equal to 180 degree. 3x means 3 multiplied by 18 is equal to 180 degree. So value of C is equal to 180 minus 54 degree. That is equal to 10 minus 4, 6, 7 minus 5, 2, C. So the value of angle C is equal to 126 degree. This is asked to you in the question, and this is the value of angle C. Value of angle C is 126 degree. This is the answer. This is question 3 of your NCRT of first exercise of lines and angle. In this, what is given in this question? It is given that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR is this, angle PRQ is this. These two angles are equal. So let this angle be X, and so this angle will be also equal to X, because in this question it is given that PQR is equal to PRQ. And you can let that this angle is equal to Y and this angle is equal to Z. You can assume that. You can write also here, let angle PQS is equal to Y, angle PRT is equal to Z, and angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ is equal to PRQ is equal to X. ये given है हमें. We have let that this is equal to X. Now what you need to find out? You need to show in this question that PQS is equal to PRT. You have to prove this, that angle PQS is equal to PRT. That means you have to prove that angle Y is equal to angle Z. Now what is the process to prove this thing? There is a process to prove this thing. How you do that? You have to do like this. You have to write here angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? Angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason behind it? By linear pair. By linear pair. Similarly, you can write here. Similarly, you can mark it. This is equation number 1. Similarly, you can write angle PRQ, angle PRQ plus angle PRT. That means this angle plus this angle. PRQ plus angle PRT is also equal to 180 degree by the same reason, that is by linear pair. Now you can mark this equation number 2. Now you can write here from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, you know that this is also equal to 180 degree and this is also equal to 180 degree. So you can write here angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Now you know that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. You can find write here value also. What is angle PQS here? Angle PQS is Y. What is angle PQR? Angle PQR you have let it X. What is angle PRQ? Angle PRQ is again X, because you have already assumed this value. And what is angle PRT? Angle PRT is Z. If you put the value of all these angles, then you come to know that this X will become cancelled out with this X. And what is left here? Y is equal to Z. What is Y? Y is angle PQS. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT, and this thing you have to prove. So you can write it here like that. This implies angle PQS equal to PRT. After that, you can write here, hence proof. In this way, you have to solve this question. Now this is question number 4 of your NCRT, lines and angle, exercise number first. What is given this here? It is given here that x plus y is equal to w plus z. It is given in this question, and you have to prove that an AOB is a line. This thing you have to prove that AOB is a line. This is a straight line. This thing you have to prove. How you can prove this? You can apply one property here. You know that sum of all the angles around a point is always is equal to 360 degree. So you can write here x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. And you have to write here the reason behind it, sum of all the angles, sum of all the angles around a point, all the angles around a point, around a point is 360 degree. And you know that it is given that x plus y is equal to z plus w, because it is given in the question x plus y is equal to w plus z. So you can replace here z plus w with x plus y. You can write it here like that, x plus y, and instead of z plus w, you again write here x plus y is equal to 360 degree. In bracket, you can give the remark z plus w is equal to x plus y. Now what will happen? This x will be added with this x. It will become 2x plus 2y is equal to 360 degree. That means x plus y is equal to 360 upon 2. That is equal to 180 degree. Now what is angle x here? Angle x is angle BOC. Angle BOC. And what is angle y here? Angle y is angle AOC. AOC is equal to 180 degree. And if I write angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree, this implies that AOB is a straight line. This implies AOB is a straight line. Hence proved. Hence proved. Now come to question number 5. This question is important as per examination point of view. It is frequently asked in your exams. In this question, what is given? In this question, POQ is a line. This is given that POQ is a line and OR is perpendicular to line PQ. That means this is given OR is perpendicular, so this angle is equal to 90 degree. After it is given that OS is another ray lying between ray, OS is another ray lying between ray OP and OR. And this thing you have to prove. How you know prove this question? You have to take RHS side here. RHS side is equal to half of angle QOS, half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This you have to prove that this is equal to ROS. How you will prove that? You will write here half. It is written here QOS. What is angle QOS here? This is angle QOS. And this angle QOS can be split it like that. QS is equal to angle QOR, angle QOR plus angle ROS. You can write angle QS as angle QOR plus angle ROS. Now here it is a negative sign. Put here negative sign and just open a small bracket. What is written here? Angle POS. Where is angle POS? This is your angle POS. You can write your POS angle like that. That angle POS is equal to this full angle, that is angle POR minus ROS. If I subtract in this whole angle, if I subtract this angle, then what is left? This will be left. Angle POS will be left. So you can write, instead of POS, you can write here, this is equal to angle POR minus angle ROS. Close the bracket and close the square bracket. Now half angle QOR plus angle ROS. Now open this bracket. When you open the bracket, due to this negative sign will be reversed. This angle POR will become minus angle POR, and this minus ROS will become twice of positive ROS. Now you know that half angle QR. What is the value of angle QR? The value of angle QR is 90 degree, plus ROS plus ROS will become twice of ROS. This ROS will be added with this ROS. And what is the value of angle POR? This angle POR is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. So write the value of angle POR here, minus 90 degree. This 90 will be cancelled out with this 90 degree. So it will become half multiplied by twice of angle ROS. Twice will be cancelled out with this twice. What is left here? Angle ROS. And this thing you have to prove. Hence, proved. Now I'm going to discuss question number 6 here. Here it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. This is given. In this, the figure is not given. So you need to know how you have to make this figure. So try to learn that how you have to make this figure. Here it is given angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Just make angle XYZ like that. X, Y, Z is equal to 64 degree. After that, it is given here XY is produced to a point P. है ना? So you have to produce this XY up to point P as it is given in the question. So you will produce this XY up to point P. After it is given that ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. What is angle ZYP here? This is angle ZYP. ZYP, and it is given that ray YQ. This is ray YQ. I will make this ray by some blue pen. So this ray YQ bisects angle, this is YQ ray, bisects angle ZYP. If this ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, that means if this angle is equal to X, so this angle will be also equal to X. And what you need to find out? You need to find the value of angle XYQ. That means XYQ, what is angle XYQ? This is angle XYQ. You need to find the value of angle XYQ. How you will solve that? For solving this, you know that this is XYP is a straight line. So this will form a linear pair. That means angle XYZ, angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP is equal to 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? By linear pair. By linear pair. After that, you know that XYZ is equal to 64 degree and ZYQ is equal to X. Put the value of ZYQ here X. QYP is also X. This is equal to 180 degree. So 2X is equal to 180 minus 64. That means 2X is equal to 761,116. 10 में से 4 गया 6, 7 में से गया 1, 116. So X is equal to 58 degree. So you have find the value of X, that is 58 degree. Now what is asked to you in the question? You have to find the value of angle XYQ. What is angle XYQ? Angle XYQ is equal to angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle ZYQ. So what is angle XYZ here? Angle XYZ is 64. What is angle ZYQ? Angle ZYQ is X, and you already found the value of X here. What is the value of X here? 64 plus 58, and this will become angle XYQ is equal to 122 degree. This is your answer.